Hey, what's up guys, Milton here and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to solve the problem of error 20 in Checkra1n in iOS 14. I will show you step by step how to fix this problem. So if you forgot the passcode of your iOS device and wanted to jailbreak by Checkra1n, you will see an error 20. Okay guys, to solve this problem, first you have to download Checkra1n version 0.12.0. Okay, now open the browser. Okay, now go to the Checkra1n website, which is checkra.in. As you can see here, this is the latest version. Right now, we don't need this version, we want the version 0.12.0. Okay guys, now here click See All Downloads. Okay guys, now scroll down and click See All Releases here. Now scroll down and you will find the old versions. Okay, as you can see, this is the version we want. Now download this one. As you can see, the download was successful. Now open the file and install Checkra1n. Okay, now move it to Applications folder, Replace. Okay, now after downloading Checkra1n version 0.12.0, now you need to download Mina USB Patch latest version. I uploaded the latest version and you will find the download link below this video. After entering this link, now click download. Okay, this is just an ad page. Click download. Now scroll down and click I'm not a robot. Just another stupid ad. Okay, another stupid ads. Okay guys, now click continue. Now scroll down and wait for 5 seconds. Now click download. Alright guys, this is another stupid ad. Click download. Okay, as you can see, a download error. If you see this error, then just change the IP address with any VPN app. Okay guys, I will change the IP address. Okay, now I will download it again. Now click download. As you can see, the file has been downloaded successfully. Now install this tool. Okay, click continue. Continue. Install. As you see, the tool has been installed successfully. Okay, now go ahead and open Checkra1n. Here make sure guys that you have the version 0.12.0. If you use the version 0.12.1, it will not work. I tried it and it didn't work for me. This is my iPhone and I forgot the passcode for my device and I'm on iOS 14. And of course I can't jailbreak by Checkra1n. This is because I need to open my device to be able to use the accessories. As you can see, open iPhone to use the accessories. Okay guys, now you need to enter Diagnostics mode to be able to successfully jailbreak your device. And then patch your device. Now you will need to put the iPhone in recovery mode manually. To put the iPhone into recovery mode, just press the power button and the home button at the same time. Once the device is turned off, release your finger from the power button and the home button for 1 second. Then press and hold the home button until the recovery mode screen appears. As you can see, the device is now in recovery mode. Now open Checkra1n. Now in Checkra1n, press start. Start. Now here you will need to do something more. Once your device enters DFU mode, immediately release your finger from the power button and only press and hold the volume up and the home button until the diagnostic screen appears. Keep pressing and don't release your finger from the home button and the volume up button until you see all done in Checkra1n. As you can see, all done. Now you can release your finger from the home button and the volume up button. I am now on the diagnostics mode. Now open Mina USB Patcher tool. Okay, now click Patch USB Restrict. As you can see guys, device successfully patched. Now you will be able to jailbreak your device without any problem. Now close Mina USB Patcher tool. Okay, now go back to the Checkra1n and jailbreak your device. Okay, click Start, Next. Now follow the instructions. As you can see, the jailbreak has been completed successfully and without any problem, and this is how to fix error 20 in Checkra1n. Now you can copy the device activation files or turn off Find My iPhone or something else. Mina USB Patcher tool works on iOS 13.5 and above, and works on iOS 14.1 and iOS 14.2, and it doesn't work on iOS 14.3. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.